Hey, welcome to 60 Seconds with the Allen Firm. Matt Koronczok, thank you for coming back on. I'm really grateful.
Hey,
The question that you get a lot being in litigation, and I want to answer for everyone is, hey, Matt, somebody owes me money. What options do I have?
options. So you've done the right thing first by talking to me.
Yep, that's
Um,
right. Yep.
That's what we do at the firm. I mean, we
Yep.
explain your options.
Yep.
Again, I give you a roadmap. So I think, generally speaking, if somebody owes you money, you've got three main options. Okay. The first, and this happens pretty frequently, is try to collect through informal means.
Yeah.
So that has to do with kind of just you knowing the person, y'all being tied into common social networks. I've had clients who resolve things at their church. If you're
Yeah.
there's some pastors who are willing to kind of sit both parties down and just talk about it, and really figure that out. Sometimes it's a dispute between siblings. You've got the parents. Or it's a dispute between friends and family friends. They just have other friends in common. Anyways, I have one client who's 6'3" and 270 pounds.
He's a good informal
Walks in
resolver.
the door and things get resolved.
Yeah, that's right.
No joke, but so that's the first method, I guess, is just informally. The second method and the third method, they're kind of more lawsuit, kind of legal stuff. Where the second would be small claims court, which I can describe in another video or run down now. But and the third method would be going through attorneys in a bigger state court.
Yeah.
So you can try things informally. Small claims is anything under 20,000 or
Okay.
20,000 or less. So you can't go there with more. Your justice court, your justice of the peace, he runs a justice court. That's also a small claims court.
Oh, okay.
So there's a few justice courts in your county. And you got to figure out which one you are based on what precinct of the county you're in. So that's small claims. That's do it yourself court. That's Judge Judy. That's it's user friendly. It's made for claims that are small enough to really not hire a lawyer for. So if you just call them, you talk to them, they're going to help you figure out how to get your suit filed, how to send things to the other party. They won't give you legal advice, but they'll kind of help you run your suit forward. And then in the last, so I talked about informal, I talked about justice court, small claims court, and the last one is going through the very formal avenue of a state district or county court. And those at that point usually are going to involve an attorney one way in one form or another.
Yeah.
And for those suits, for these two kind of lawsuit measures, small claims and kind of bigger state courts, things typically kick off with some kind of demand letter. Okay. That's something that lawyers can draft really well. You want to hit the right tone, you want to make sure you do the right details, maybe not too many details, and you want to typically, that's kind of usually the first step in any suit, just to kick things off. Maybe live settlement, but usually not.
Yeah. So it'll start off with the demand, and then usually it'll hit the state court, which is what people know as I've been sued, or I'm being sued, or I'm going to sue.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Matt, that's helpful. So the three main options, they're the informal route, the small claims or the justice court, and then there's going to be the state court lawsuits, and usually all that will kick off with a demand letter.
Yeah, more or less.
Okay. That's great.
Thanks
Thanks for making time today. That's super helpful, and appreciate it always, Matt.
Yeah, thanks, Josh. Good to see you.